The Art Mind studio, to be polite, is a hot mess. Time to do some cleaning. So the last couple of months, the last 6 months or so, have been a very challenging time with my dad's health falling apart, needing to take care of him, the busy summer HVAC season, all that. And I haven't really had the time to dedicate to my artwork and trying to keep this shithole organized. So, for example, cleaning out my dad's house, I now have some boxes of tools. 40 years of somebody living in a place that you suddenly have to take apart and figure out what to do with. So let's do some cleaning and let's try and get this place a little better organized so I have space to think and space to create. It's messy when you can't even find the dustpan. Since I've even been able to sit on this couch and feel like I can breathe a little bit. So thanks for hanging out with me while on rainy Saturday I spent some time cleaning the Art Minds.